Arangetam or Arangetram is a Sanskrit word that literally translates to ascending the stage. In the world of Bharatanatyam, it refers to the debut performance of a dancer, marking the completion of their training and the beginning of their career as a professional dancer. It is a rite of passage that all classical dancers undergo towards the end of their training. The 7 styles of Bharatanatyam are Pushpanjali, Alarippa, Jatiswaram, Shabdam, Varnam, Padam and Tillana. These 7 styles of Bharatanatyam refer to the order of the performance as well, which we will be witnessing upon our stage this evening. Traditionally, the first dance piece that Bharatanatyam dancers learn is called the Alarippa. It is usually done first before other pieces. It signifies the blossoming of a dancer. The Alarippa consists of 5 different jatis, and hence this dance item is composed of basic steps. It contains no abhinaya or facial expressions, and the dance is entirely based on rhythm and focuses on relaxing the dancer's body. Alarippa symbolizes the offering of respect to God, the Guru, and the audience. Ragam, Ragamalika. Talam, Chatusra Egam. And the performers on stage, Diya John Sangeet, Nita John Sangeet, Ananya Arun, Gopika Gopi, Dolly Krishika, Siona Sujit, Irene Bobby, and Gayatri Manoj.
Tattayam tattam kidadaga tattayam tattam kidadaga tattam kidadaga தாம் தீதம் தீததே தாம் தீதம் தீததே தாம் தத்தகஜம் சரித ததிக